If you think prescription drug prices are high these days, you are certainly not alone. Now, a new government report is pointing a finger at a group of people marking up those prices. And today, they're responding.
New accusations about what's driving up the cost of prescription drugs for more Americans. A new report from the Federal Trade Commission claims organizations known as pharmacy benefit managers, or PBMs, profited billions by raising prices of specialty drugs used to treat cancer, HIV, and other conditions. PBMs, the so-called middlemen in the pharmaceutical industry, only exist in the U.S., negotiating drug prices.
They mainly work on behalf of insurers, so their direct clients are health insurance companies and plans.
The report focused on the PBM's Caremark RX, owned by CVS Health, Express Scripts, owned by Cigna, and Optum RX, owned by United Healthcare. The FTC claims between 2017 and 2022, those companies generated $7.3 billion in revenue by marking up dozens of drugs, some marked up by more than 1,000%. Patient advocates say more transparency is needed, with insurers themselves often in the dark about how much the prices are marked up.
What impact are you seeing this have on consumers?
The individual patient does not directly benefit from those negotiations. And that's one of the reasons why drugs are often unaffordable, even for Americans who have full insurance.
The Pharmaceutical Care Management Association, which represents PBMs, calls the FTC report baseless and without substantiating evidence. Looking to the future, critics question whether PBMs should be allowed to make a profit from their negotiations.
A pharmacy benefit manager in the United States gets to get a higher revenue if they are negotiating and paying for a higher cost drug, and they get to make less money if the drugs that they're negotiating are cheaper. So that's a big problem because it indirectly incentivizes prices to remain as high as possible.
PBMs have been under scrutiny in Congress, but one recent proposal aimed at improving accountability failed to advance. Lionel Moise, ABC News, New York.